Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3 using Anaconda on Mac OS. If your Mac doesn't have M1 chip, then you can use this installer from anaconda.com. But if your Mac does have M1 chip, then you have to download a specific installer from anaconda.com/. So we can find it at the bottom of this website. Oh, here it is. I'm going to use this one. We recommend all the CS220 and CS319 students to install current version of Python and Anaconda so that all the students, TAs, peer mentors and instructors have the same version. Okay, now I'm going to click on this and hit allow and then continue. Of course, this is a license agreement, but you can read it. Again, we have to agree because we want to use this installer. Okay, now hit install. Okay, so we have to also give access to download folder, so click OK. Because it will take a while, so I'm gonna to pause this video for a few minutes. Okay, so now we could install it. Hit continue and then close, and we are going to move this install to trash. Okay, so we have to see whether we could install it properly or not. So we are going to type in Spotlight search terminal, and we are going to type Python 3 version, and if we could install it properly, then we will be able to see the version. So Python 3 space hyphen version. So this is the version that we will be using for this class. Now we are going to install Otter. We need Otter to run otter-grader tests for the project of this class. We are going to use pep to install Otter. Pep is a package installer for Python. So pep install Otter -grader. So we typed pep space install space Otter -grader and then hit enter. We will also check its version. So similar to Python, we will type Otter space version, space hyphen version. So Otter space hyphen version and then hit enter. It will give us the Otter version. It's taking time, so let's wait for it. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording. Alright, we got it. This is the Otter version and this is the Python version. If you want to use Jupyter Notebook, then you can type Jupyter Notebook. So it will launch a Jupyter Notebook session. So here we typed Y instead of I, just keep it in mind. So here we have Jupyter Notebook. I mean, you can continue with this session, but I'm going to stop here. Thank you.